Good day, everyone. So we'll tackle about the philosophical summary, but this have added data such as counter arguments which is imaginary, not really that real. So we'll take out this one sentence summary. Descartes was the chosen figure of thinker as he gave ways and clarified the concept on mind, body, and senses coordinate which may not coordinate occasionally, which may not coordinate occasionally. So there are supporting points which is the mind and body distinction in a certain time. Again, occasionally. Without levels, there are no determination for the highest one. That's the second point. Third, if opposites may not occur, such as good, evil, dark, light, male, female, choice is absurd. But there are some imaginary or illusion arguments from the let's take for example arguments from the other persons that is thrown upon us. Example is without body. So mind and body distinction, the counter argument is without body to fill with appetite you cannot think properly. The second is without levels, so they will argue with this is like childish, we need to be equal. Third, with the if opposites may not occur, so they will say what? No need of that or those. One thing is enough because it is even good and understandable. So this will be the clarification to that. This is the response to without body, just some sort of physically. Let's take for example the term physically present but mentally absent, and vice versa. So that is the situation and the case we will consider in this context. Yes, it's true that mind and body, without mind you cannot have body, without body you cannot have mind, you cannot have that brain to have that mind. But in this context, there are occasion which mind, our internal mind and body may divide from each other in a certain time. So Saturday and this is like childish, we need to equal. Yeah, to be clear, yes, to be clear, we also claim for equity, but not in this way. You only limit to the smaller one. So if you are thinking there is more to discover. Why? Because that the world we step on changes through time. So that's it. So no need of that, no need of this opposite. So there is this is might be my response to that. Again, it attributes with duality where objects contradictory with themselves coexist to each other and a need as it is for keeping the cycle balance on its place. Example, so that is the nature. That is the nature. There are night and day. Day for us to have activities, to travel around or some movements with our bodies, and night where we can have a rest to sleep. So there is time to be happy, to cry, like that. Opposites exist and they will not appear without the other. So in conclusion, human senses or mind are prone to mistakes as the outer objects and environment changes through time. However, being skeptical is the better option for it, for it aids person to be transcendent, transparent, and adaptive to his and her environment. That maybe I can share for today. And thank you.